Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Doro 8100. Begin by opening Play Store on both of them to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Doro. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Diff pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!